Okay, welcome back. It's time for your health check. Look, you're probably familiar with electronic medical records. As patients, we have a patient portal, so you visit the doctor, you get an email with test results from biopsies, blood tests, or other scans. Well, a recent law changes how fast you actually get those results.
Accessing information takes seconds. Now, even your medical records are available online. But part of a new law called the 21st Century Cures Act requires medical test results be sent directly to you immediately, meaning you may see them before your doctor does.
And so when patients get this sort of information, it can be very distressing.
Dr. Laura Howe Martin is a clinical psychologist at UT Southwestern, an institution that for years has released test results electronically, but only after a 72-hour waiting period.
Just to allow us that brief time to counsel the patient, either on the phone, with a video visit, or in person.
Dr. David Gerber is a medical oncologist at UT Southwestern. He wrote an op-ed sharing his perspective about the law, saying rushing results creates anxiety and confusion for patients.
People may spend hours or days trying to look up terms on the internet and may really get concerned about something that they should not be concerned about.
While information is moving faster, what's better, getting it days later from your doctor or getting it sooner but without context?
You really need to recognize that this is a test result that tells you about something that's already been going on in your body. You just happen to know about it now.
So the only current exception in the 21st Century Cures Act is for mental health records, meaning they don't require those to be pushed through. Since that federal law passed in April 2021, Kentucky became the first state to challenge the immediate release of test results. So in that state, there's now a 3-day waiting period before releasing sensitive results. So that's related to cancer or, for instance, genetic diseases. Now, whether Texas would pass a law like that, of course, at this point remains to be seen.
Yeah, sometimes that waiting period can be a really good thing.
I think so.
Yeah. All right, turning our attention to Greg Field.